If you want to cancel a Namecheap subscription, whether that's a hosting plan you no longer need or a service you want to stop immediately, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you how to turn off auto-renew, how the cancellation works, and how to confirm immediate cancellation if that's the route you want to take. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list section. This is where Namecheap keeps your active hosting services, so it's the best place to start when you want to manage or cancel a subscription. If your goal is simply to stop the service from renewing automatically, see the auto-renew setting. Turn auto-renew off. This is the safest option if you want the hosting to stay active until the end of the current billing cycle, but not continue after that. Namecheap will keep the hosting running until your paid period ends. After that, the service will be suspended first and then fully cancelled. That means you still have time to use the account until expiration, which can be helpful if you're moving a website or backing up files before the plan ends. Now, if you do want to cancel immediately, the steps are a little different. Go back to the hosting list if needed, then click Manage next to the hosting service again. This time, look for the Cancel Service option. Click it to begin the cancellation process. Namecheap will show you some cancellation information, so take a moment to review it carefully before you continue. This is important because immediate cancellation can stop the service right away, so make sure you've already saved anything you need, such as website files, emails, databases, or backups. Once you've reviewed everything and you're sure you want to continue, confirm by clicking Yes, Cancel Hosting. After you submit the cancellation, Namecheap will send you an email confirmation. That email is your proof that the request went through successfully, so it's a good idea to keep it for your records. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel a Namecheap subscription either by turning off auto-renew for cancellation at the end of the billing period or by cancelling the hosting immediately. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.